Bub, bub, bub. For the people watching the recording, basically, I have a wait. It's not even moving. Wait, let me close something. All right. We have a head here that has a topology of the ZBrush base mesh, and what's missing basically is like I smoothed it down, and I want to get it back, and we can't project it because the mouse is open, and the ears won't work out, nor the nose, and the eye socket too won't work out. So I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna basically copy the morph target of a different mesh to this one. So let me first export this. As I'm gonna try exporting as an OBJ. OBJ might work. Let's make a new folder for it in my documents. We call it mission save buff guy's head. All right. We're gonna go headless export and press OK. Oh, it's exporting everything. I didn't want that. No, that's bad. Okay, my program is loading. It's gonna take a while. It exported. I didn't know this existed. Let's do it again. This time I'm just gonna do the normal OBJ format. Yeah, I'm gonna do the normal one because I don't want it to export everything. I want it to only export this body because it has other subtools in here if y'all see it. So where is it? Mission, save the buff guy, replace it, and it should export only one. Yeah. And it exported. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new file. Yeah, let's open a new thing. Press no. I'm not gonna save this for now. Let me just go to projects. Let's open the basic sphere. And all right, we have this open. Now if you press import and we press headless export, right? And we have this guy here. Damn, this Loki, this default what's called madcap is showing a lot of details I couldn't see in the other one. I like this a lot. Anyway, W boost for my model. Anyway, let's what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna try to find another. So this is basically working. Like I just had to check it. Now I'm gonna try to find an older version of this that uses the same base mesh, and I should have one in my models. If I don't, I can just use a base mesh of something else. Bro, holy shit! I got my new CD. I got my old CD back. I now have all my like old sculpts in here, bro. Like my old sculpts are still in here from like. Yeah, bro. This is my first ever humanoid ever. Let me open it, bro. Wait, not. It's my first ever humanoid. Holy shit! I didn't know I had that. What the fuck? It was saved on my old PC, and I got my SD back. Let me open it. Please work. It's gonna be some crazy clip. Yeah, holy shit. This was my first ever humanoid. I thought it was way better than this. Holy shit. Why is this waist like that? Like if I want to approve this, oh it's dynameshed. Oh my god, of course it is. Anyway, I would like increase this. I would have made it better. Side profile is ass. The hands, holy shit, bro. I didn't know it was this bad, bro. I improved a lot. Bro, I improved so much. Look at these hands. This is crazy anyway. Yeah, I'm lucky like this is like nostalgic, like lucky. Damn. Yeah, been a long time, I guess. Yeah, time to cry. Mahler got emotional after seeing his old models and realized he gotten so much better. It's my progress in a year, by the way. This model was done like around a year ago, I think, or a year and a half. No, the one yesterday was like way worse, but it's like way much better. Anyway, um, if anyone watching this recording and is confused, I have people in VC. You know what? Let me just unmute my chat so y'all hear it. Okay, talk. No, talk again.
Hello.
Guys, that's random. He's the worst mauler ever, and he's addicted to anime adventure.
That's true. I'm playing it right now.
Shut up. Let me work. I can't find the stuff in here, so I'm go to my files and find it in there. So file open, and I think I have it somewhere. It should be. Let's search buff. Yeah, it's called male body sculpts. Let's try opening it. Hopefully it has a face. It is basically my older try at making a buff guy, and it was so ass I deleted it. But I didn't. It wasn't deleted, so I improved. No, bro, no. Okay, you know what, guys? I basically have undo history. So if I undo it enough, I should get his face back. So let's undo 2000 steps or some shit. That's 500. Holy shit. I realized after I started sculpting again, I used a lot of brush strokes because this one had 800 only, right? Yeah, there is a face. I mean, it's better than nothing. And I'm gonna take this, basically, and use it to bring back my, what's it called? Like, I will basically try to bring back my other one. I might just check other ones. Do I have, like... Yeah, it doesn't matter. Let's go here. Alright. Having this will help us retrieve our head on the other character. And you'll be confused how, but like I'll show you all. I'm gonna export this too as an OBJ. And I'm gonna call it shithead export. Because this one is so fucking shit. I don't want this type of export. 1 second. I need the OBJ, just normal OBJ format. Shithead export. And let's that export. This is so fucking ass. Holy shit. But yeah, we're gonna use this to start at least. Because, like, I don't want to make. Like, what the thing is with these base meshes is they have, like, topology that flows around these, like, parts. You see what I mean? And I need it back to, like, have a clean base mesh for my bake and stuff. And now we exported that. I'm gonna go back to this project. So, like, the sphere one. And I'll show you all how it works. If it doesn't work, we're gonna try it together till it works. I don't care. Step 1. We import the one with a head in. Alright? We store the morph target. So we go to morph target and we store it. And what we do, we import our new mesh that uses the same base, by the way, same like topology. No. Wait. It is subdivided. It is. That's good. But we lost subdivision level. I will make it work. Yeah. Alright, this is just a test. We're gonna import again, and because the OBJ, it will override it. But it will keep the store target. From what I know. So if we import it right now, it should override this. And it will have the same topology. And basically, if I go to morph. See? Yo! Yo, y'all like this?
That is disgusting, bro. That is disgusting.
Yeah, this is so fucking fine. They
Oh,
use this for movies basically. And what we're gonna do is I don't want it to like be this, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, which is number 0, which is the default, which is like my current sculpt. There's a brush called Morph. Wait, bro, close this. BM, and let's find Morph. Morph brush. Morph. If you brush over it, we can get our guy back. And yeah, that's how we get. Okay, I don't want the neck to be gone. The neck was good. I worked on it hard.
but that's only useful for like aging up and aging down stuff, right?
It's useful for a lot of stuff. Look, watch. I can just get my model back. See? Because it's the same base mesh. Like I don't want to get rid of all of the stuff. I'm gonna polish in between now. And see, we were able to transform the head. If y'all don't think I'm a genius, I guess your mom isn't proud of you. I don't know.
I think the
Fuck you.
person that made this is a genius. I don't think you are.
I kind of thought about it and I searched up about the Simba shit and I found out like I searched about it and I found like the ZBrush video and I watched it and it turns out they use it too. I'm like, damn, so it does work. I just didn't have an idea how to do it to be honest. So, but like I had the vision like of using Morph Target. Yeah, we good,
Okay.
we good, guys. W method, W method. I'm gonna post this in one of my channels probably. Bye bye.